video, as you heard, and we are also Delhi Exhibition World Top 30. And our presence in the online front is also on Instagram and YouTube everywhere, plus Delhi Exhibition World. So we are not a unknown face. We are probably a known face, and every time we are popping onto a lot of people who are seeing us on the YouTube as well. So as he said, I think he's covered all the points. Anything you want to ask, you can ask. Parcel opening video is mandatory from our end, and single piece buying is more than welcome. Shipping on 2 articles is absolutely free pan India.
Good.
DHL for abroad and DTDC couriers for India. So
right.
let's start off. And आज की वीडियो जो रहेगी उसमें ड्रेसेस और वेस्टर्न वेयर से शुरू कर रहे हैं. Sama cool travel wear, because March में you will be traveling also, along with a pret range for weddings, for Eid, for all the festivities. I feel in India start with Eid. So we really focus on our this kind of collection as well. So don't think कि इस वीडियो में सिर्फ कैजुअल्स रहेंगे. स्टार्टिंग में देख के मत बंद करिए, पूरी वीडियो देखिए.
I think before the video, I think we were discussing just before the video about the articles actually, you know. So Nidhi ji has come up with very good, you know, cotton tunics, I can say, or smart shirts, I can say, one piece with, you know, accessories along with it. So please watch those
and
dresses.
All accessories are all inclusive in
all
it.
Inclusive price.
All inclusive. So let's start off.
Acha Nidhi ji, in case if somebody wants to only have the dress and not the accessories, so that much price will be deducted.
Yes, it will be deducted.
All right, fine.
Okay. So the first 2 pieces I want to show you, we have sizes this time in it, and we got multiples made, because once we had only one piece and we were told sold out. So ये बनवाए गए हैं, they are ombre, and they are very classic pieces. आप summer cool हैं, whether you're in Chennai or Bangalore or sitting in Kashmir, you can order this.
All right.
The price point for this is 1495 with the accessory.
All right.
The next pieces are only 999, and the size is medium to a XL. 999 medium to a XL. And then
I was talking about these pieces actually.
Yeah,
and this green one looks so nice actually.
And nice. And then we have this one again with foldable sleeves. And the size is medium to a XL again. With these pleats. So we'll go forward with the other garments such just like that only. And then we have this top. ये मसलिन का बहुत प्रीमियम सा आर्टिकल है, with a lining, with embroidery. The price is 1495 with little puff sleeves and lot of margin. So we have a few sizes in it. Bird wali shirts. Another one is this. This is a small, medium, large, and XL. A very nice classic article. And I
think this is muslin material, no? Muslin?
Absolute muslin, summer cool. Again, a nice piece with beads. The price is only 999. The next to go is another very nice piece. This is a kaftan look. We are totally sold out, single piece only. जिसका भी
very nice.
Claim करेगा 1150. इसमें rugged look में हमारे लंबे काफ्तान्स भी साथी में.
बहुत प्यारा काफ्तान है ये, olive color में viewers. I really liked it.
So इसमें the whole effect of each neck piece, because we were the second people to do necklace scarves in Delhi Exhibition World. I'm sure you will love our neck pieces. ये मैं तीनों में दिखा रही हूँ. We have another olive, एक और होगा. Off-whites is all sold out after this.
Wow.
The price is
थोड़ा नीचे हाथ लाना, नीचे हाथ रखना. और हाँ, viewers कितना प्यारा है. And the material is cotton flex. I think more than cotton flex.
Linen also.
Yeah,
linen also
jute cotton actually.
Yeah, very nice
very
article.
Nice. I mean, this I'm liking the fringes actually.
Yes, the fringes makes it look really nice.
Really nice, yeah.
And in the exhibitions we sell for 2800 with Audacity.
Yes.
And on his channel it's 1450. 1450. We have to pay a heavy rent. And then we have this one, medium to double XL रहेगा. So you can see कि इस तरह से imported garment है, chiffon का इसमें ये है. और ये imported soft crepe है with a beautiful neck piece. The price is only 1295. Then we have some couple of shirts, and every time we've started doing shirts, and they have been a great success.
I think the material is too good, cotton.
So ये है medium to double XL, a very nice, beautiful, nice piece. Look at this one, and the price is only 888. Then we have this pure linen classic. Sorry, I might go fast today, but please catch up. ठीक है, प्योर लिनन है, पूरी हैंडवर्क है, मीडियम टू डबल एक्सेल है एंड द प्राइस इज 1100. चीज कॉटन, प्रीति की शर्ट्स,
चीज कॉटन, या
very very nice look, medium to double XL. This is the embroidery, price is 888 only. And the next to go are specially we got a few shirts done for you guys, and these are the birdies. So I think we are sold out now, but we can develop it in any size you want. 1450 रहेगा इसका रेट, हिप कवरिंग है, प्लस साइज तक जाएंगे.
All right.
ठीक है, ये हमने बर्ड को डेवलप करवाया स्पेशली फॉर दिस चैनल. एंड देन वी हैव दिस डायमंडीज वन, इसमें थोड़ा छोटा और बड़ा दोनों मिलेंगे, 1450. सो दीज 3 आर वेरी गुड फॉर द प्लस साइजेस एज वेल. ठीक है, ये भी मीडियम टू प्लस साइज रहेगा विद दिस नेक पीस. सैटिन क्रेप इज द लुक, प्राइस इज 1150. We have multiples in this white, all sizes. Shifly. And the other day I was going, I had gone to a particular shop where this was 1895 with little shifling, and ours is only
this is only loaded with shifly work.
1095.
Side में रखना ये.
1095 only.
Very nice article.
ठीक है, सारे sizes हैं प्लस तक उसमें, हमारे पास बहुत सारे sizes हैं. Then we have this crepe shirt, medium to double XL.
Again Diamantes, na?
Yes, Diamantes. The price is only 999. Another crepe, so ये दोनों डबल एक्सेल ही रहेंगे, मीडियम टू डबल एक्सेल. ठीक है, एंड बहुत ही अच्छा सा सैटिन क्रेप का मटेरियल है. स्टेटमेंट शर्ट है, 1250 ओनली. अ लिटिल रस्टिक लुक एंड अवेलेबल टिल 3XL to 4XL.
थोड़ा पीछे रखना. हाँ, वाओ.
ठीक है, द प्राइस इज ओनली 1050.
What is the material?
0 कॉटन लिनन, डेनिम टाइप ऑफ भी कह सकते हो, कॉटन डेनिम टाइप्स. ओके, एंड जैसे मैंने अभी कॉटन डेनिम टाइप में आप ये भी देख सकते हो. Very well done, Sharif. ये वाला is a more elaborate neck piece, so this is 1250. So this is 1000 and this is 1250. So these are all hip covering, free size American look types. Rest we can alter to 36 also, वो आप टेंशन मत लो. And we know जो भी खरीदते आए हैं, और आजकल मेट्रो हाइट्स की मुझे परसों तक I had an inquiry of his channel. Good, from my last video, which was done like 15 days back.
15 days back, yeah.
Medium to XL, so we had a conversion day before yesterday also.
Good, good. And thank you, viewers. I think it's just because of your support that we, get so much of confidence and positivity to work harder.
Yeah, to work harder and get you everyday new stocks.
New stocks, yeah.
Medium to double XL again. इसकी embroidery पूरा नलकी वर्क है इस पे. I don't know, you're able to see.
Yeah, it's quite visible.
Okay, so this is again a very nice classic article for 1250. And small, medium to XL.
This is a self-made fabric with self-weave.
And it's good for official wear also. You can just leave the neck piece and wear it. It's like 999. And
just show me the sleeves. There is a smoking done.
Yes, it's actually very nice.
Yeah, smoking wala piece. Yeah.
Then we have a medium, large, XL. Again, a very nice satin crepe piece. I personally have it, and you can wear it all season.
Satin crepe, na?
Huh. And the price is 999. And the next one is a tie and dye. And these kind of look before Holi I really like actually. Medium to a XXL. And the price is 999 only. Also, I want to say there are a lot of small mediums who are buying from us. I'm sure you've not had any problem, otherwise you would have complained. So please ask us for the sizes, we will help you out. So everybody from South India, especially I'm addressing to Mumbai to Chennai. And this one is a medium to a 3XL, a beautiful statement piece again for 1150. And now we're starting with a couple of dresses. And this one is a medium, large, small only.
And what is this material? This flower?
It's an imported crepe.
नहीं, आगे लाना एक बार. Okay, ये cotton जैसा, ये puffy थोड़ा सा.
पर cute हैं ये, अच्छे हैं, और flat 1000 के रहेंगे ये. And we've tried to really maneuver our rates every time. And this is a medium to this is a very nice cotton, I would say. और इसमें भी देखो इस तरह से smoking है. और यहाँ पर सारा पिंटेक्स है. मीडियम से लेकर आपका ये एक्सेल तक आपको मिलेगा.
ये रेयॉन है ना?
हाँ जी, पर गुड, वेरी गुड क्वालिटी. इट्स नॉट दैट चीपी वन. सो मीडियम टू अ गुड ये साइज रहेगा. एक्सेल, डबल एक्सेल वाले भी इंक्वायरी कर लें. प्राइस इज 1100.
ठीक है.
एंड जैसे अगर आप नेक पीस नहीं ले रहे वो कम हो जाएगा. And then we have a couple of linen dresses like this. These are like XL to 3XL. Rest can be altered. Price is flat 1000. Another one, satin crepe ki dress hai, and we have a couple of pieces in it. With different neck piece would change with every purchase. Price is 1195.
Okay.
Another satin crepe, but size is a constraint. So दो pieces दिखा रही हूँ. ये वाला crepe में है, ये
थोड़ा पीछे रखना निधि जी हाथ. Yes.
ये दोनों small, medium, largest को ही आएंगे. And price is only and only for both of them 888. And now this is one of our samples which we made. So we have sizes. मतलब इसी में ही margin है. Medium to 42 खुलेगा. Small of course can be varied. So this is like a.
It has a box. अच्छा front slit है. Sorry. Okay.
Front slit है जिसको भी लेना है ले सकता है.
Gown type है. लंबा इक्कत का dress है viewers. One piece.
And इक्कत you know is 550 rupees a meter. So this is 1399.
And this is all weave, no print. इक्कत weave.
And all embroidery.
ठीक है. All embroidery.
And again an imported piece, small to a large.
In chiffon ना?
Yes. With lining. Price is 1150. Another one, ये medium to a double XL रहेगा. और ये रहेगा 999. Another imported dress. So this is a classic. Again, मैंने travel wear बोला था. I have promised you a travel wear. So this is small, medium, large and XL, double XL. And लिखा double XL है mind you, पर ये आराम से small to XL ज़्यादा अच्छा आता है.
ठीक है.
Price is 1250. Another one.
हाँ इसे हाँ.
Another one is again a small to a large kind of a category. Cotton. Price is 888. Another cotton linen types only, high low है ये. And we've put a elaborate neck piece to it to pep it up basically. Price is 1095. High low again. All highly breathable pieces. Then this one will go up till a double XL, triple XL from a medium. And this will go from a medium to a plus size. Price for this in a mull cotton is only flat 1000.
All right.
Another one. ये आपका small, medium, large का ही size है. Pure cotton है. And small, medium, large.
Fish
XL
motive,
also.
Fish motive.
Pure cotton and अच्छा वाला cotton. Even the lining is there. 888. And then we have this one. ये वाला ही आपका size जो जाएगा इस वाला dress का.
Cotton flakes, huh?
Yeah, cotton flakes with little bootas like I'm wearing this. And this will go till a 3XL. And the price for this particular piece is 1195. Similar to that, ये वाला भी 3XL तक जाएगा. And इसमें neck piece के साथ it's going on 1450. Otherwise, if you do not take a neck piece, then it's 1100. Another one. इसमें सारा जूट से work हुआ. Sorry, I'm so sorry. This is all chiffle again with embroidery. Pure cotton dress, medium to XL रहेगी ये, double XL तक in fact. Flat 1000. And now a crepe tunic dress. So this is also a very elegant imported dress.
Handkerchief pattern.
Medium to double XL, very elegant piece. 1495 only.
ठीक है.
Pure cotton again. A shirt dress. Lot of people ask us इस time पर shirt dresses हैं. ये shirt dress ही है guys.
I think this is off shoulder fitting, na?
Yeah.
Some loose fit.
Okay. Loose fit, American fit. XL to 4XL रहेगी ये. Price is flat 1000. Another one. इसमें हमने beads दी हैं. इसमें हमने ये दिया. ये भी flat.
थोड़ा दूर रखना. ये देखिए. ये देखिए. ये नेवी ब्लू कलर ना, नेवी ब्लू
कलर और बहुत ही अच्छी. आप इसको ट्यूनिक्स की तरह डाल सकते हो. लूज भी डाल सकते हो. बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. एंड इस वाले नेक पीस के साथ इट्स 1195. इसके बीड्स के साथ इट्स 1100.
ठीक है.
Another one. मीडियम से लेकर आपका ये जैकेट अलग नहीं है, जॉइंट है.
शिफले में है.
हाँ जी.
कॉटन का ड्रेस है पूरा
कॉटन मल आ रहा है ये. एंड यू कैन सी द बैक ऑल्सो.
पीछे रखना हाथ थोड़ा. गुड.
1395 only. And the sizes are medium to a double XL for this. Another cotton mull. बहुत ही अच्छा. Mal is a wrong word for this. In fact, it's a cotton only. These are false mirrors. And this is the look of the piece. Price is 1195 only. Then we have a georgette in between because it's a double georgette. You need your loungewears as well with embroidery. The price is 1350 and the size would go till a 3XL. Another one. Now this is a cotton medium large tak rahega ye wala and comes with a beautiful neck piece and the price for this is 1295.
All right.
It's actually summer winter
Yeah,
coat
summer
and
winter.
it's also
थोड़ा पीछे रखना है इसको. ये देखिए व्यूअर्स, ये लुक है इसका. ये देखो इसका लुक है. अच्छा साइजेस क्या है निधि जी इसमें?
इसमें मीडियम से लेकर आपके 3XL तक साइजेस है. प्राइस ऑनलाइन का 2999 है and we had the audacity to sell it for the last weekend show somewhere at 4500.
Oh, for Metro Heights it's
2999
2999 और ईद के लिए बहुत अच्छा है.
पूरी एम्ब्रॉयडरी आप देख सकते हैं और इसके साथ आप कोई स्कार्फ ले सकते हैं. I love giving complimentary scarves so you can even claim them. Honestly.
Oh wow.
Because I have a passion for scarves, honestly.
Very nice. वो येलो वाला साइड रख देना.
And these are 2999. Then we have another beautiful one and
ये फैब्रिक अपना मसलिन लग रहा है.
मसलिन का है और बहुत ही प्रिटी है. जैसे आपको हिप कवरिंग कॉर्ड्स की डिमांड रहती है हमारे से, उसके लिए मेरे को बहुत ही अच्छा लगा फॉर ऑनलाइन. 2199. Another very nice piece. It's just value for money sort of a piece. And cotton ka vibe hai iska. And look at the false mirrors. It's a very elegant kaftan. And all false mirrors मैंने आपको bottom फिर से दिखा रही हूँ. The price is only 2200 only.
All right.
And another one is this. So ये मसलिन का piece है, हल्का सा embroidery है. This is the trouser. It's a plain this rustish color with a little sheen. The price is 1999 only. And now I'm showing you the latest kaftans which have come in the morning for Atar's show. Are these because सबसे पहले तो हमारा बहुत ज्यादा थैंक्स है व्यूअर्स को जो हमारे काफ्तान्स आपने अप्रिशिएट करे.
I mean you are known for the kaftans, for your kaftans.
Yes, that's why we're showing it in this part of the video.
And she is also known for a bling collection. I'm telling you viewers.
Yeah.
So maybe next episode will come up with some blings.
So this is a very nice intricate piece. We can also share some colors which can be made in this, but it's on a waiting of 1 month right now because of Eid. So our kaftans are priced between 3500 to 3800. Even for wholesale. So this is piece 1. Piece 2 is this one. Very classic and beautiful. Look at this. So it's ours till it's copied because nobody else is having these designs. It's completely made by us. So you can have this look of this. And another one is this. Beautiful nice number. इसमें हल्का सा.
This is really elegant. I'm telling you.
5 बूटास आ रहे हैं इसमें. बहुत ही प्यारा सा आर्टिकल है.
These are all long kaftans viewers, so no need to wear a bottom. You can carry only single kaftan.
सिंगल काफ्तान आप कैरी कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो कोई टाइट्स डाल लीजिए.
शरीफ ये वाला हाँ.
टाइट्स भी डाल सकते हैं अगर इन केस आपको
अनकंफर्टेबल है. लूज नहीं पहनना बिल्कुल भी. टाइट्स.
ये देखो. Look at this. Beautiful. And then we have this one. So these are all ombrois and different patterns. And इसको तो मैं 2 pieces इकट्ठे दिखाना चाहूंगी. Last time the color of this was different. This is now more on a powder pink because of the weather and a little green.
पीछे रखना हाँ, पीछे रखना. ये देखिए. Wow, beautiful. And the fabric is what, chinon?
Pure chinon georgette blended. If you want pure georgette, we can even do that.
ये साइड में रखना दोनों.
Because अभी किसी का कनाडा का ऑर्डर था, we did totally pure georgette. So जो आपको पसंद है हम वो कर सकते हैं. फिर आर्टिकल वेटिंग पे चला जाएगा.
ये चिनॉन में दिखा रही है मैम.
हाँ, चिनॉन जॉर्जेट का ब्लेंड दिखा रही हूँ. मेजरली टुवर्ड्स चिनॉन है. ये सारा मिरर वर्क.
रियल मिरर.
And all real mirrors. And this is a flower pattern. So again, you can get it made in plain colors. या ये है हमारा बटरफ्लाई. बहुत दिन के बाद आपको दिखा होगा. वेरी नाइस ब्यूटीफुल बटरफ्लाईज.
एक तो पीछे जाना पीछे.
ये जॉर्जेट्स पे है इसका रेट. सो वेरी वेरी प्रिटी नाइस आर्टिकल. और आई थिंक इसमें रेड कलर भी है. यू कैन डू एन इंक्वायरी. वी फॉरगॉट टू पुट इट आई थिंक.
ठीक है.
And then we have this in the V neck. किसी किसी को round neck पसंद नहीं आता, तो you can see this in the V neck.
ठीक है, all right.
Article number 1 is in 2 colors, and this is the potli for it. And believe you me, since I'm from Delhi Exhibition World and probably you've seen my face, ये सूट आपने 100% recently किसी vendor के पास 8500 का देखा होगा. Ours is only 3600 for others channel. And this is the scallop on the dupatta and a very pretty piece.
बहुत प्यारा सूट
और इसकी sleeves पे भी you can see this beautiful work. Look at this.
Very good, very good.
It's value for money and a good nice blended cotton.
Very good. प्राइस क्या था? 3500.
3600.
3600. ये देखिए.
And इसी के साथ आप second color इसका देखो. It's a lilac.
Wow.
Beautiful lilac.
Lotus के motifs हैं. Wow dress.
And this is the Nandi bell. And it's a good nice designer piece that you really want to carry forward in different occasions.
Very good.
And the next are 2 beautiful suits. So this one is in 2 colors. So one color
में है ये.
is yellow and the other is this. And we have all sizes from medium to a double XL. And cotton blended है, हल्का हल्का चीटा है. And this is the dupatta. Dupatta
इसका work
is
दिखा दूं मैं.
2 tone.
इसका वर्क दिखा दो. ये देखिए वर्क, सारा हाथ का काम है व्यूअर्स, हैंड वर्क, एंड ओम्ब्रे में है और कॉटन लिनन ब्लेंडेड है. ठीक है.
एंड बहुत ही प्यारा सा आर्टिकल है. 2200 पर.
या 2200. दो
That's the back.
That's the back. Very good. एंड ये रहा येलो में ओम्ब्रे. ठीक है.
एंड द नेक्स्ट आई एम शोइंग यू, एक का तो हमने दुपट्टा हैंड पेंट का डाल दिया और बाकी 3 आएंगे इकट्ठे. सो मैं आई एम शोइंग यू द bottom. And believe you me, abhi I have bought the same piece from a designer at 8,500 in Mal. This is in muslin premium series. And this one
Kota Doria hand painted dupatta
is only 2,999
with zari borders.
2,999 only.
ठीक है.
And इसके अब हम colors दिखा रहे हैं. इसमें you have a good nice
Fanta color.
Orange. ये सबसे ज्यादा डिमांड में है ये कलर. एंड मीडियम टू 42 साइज अवेलेबल है इसमें. 44 हो जाएगा with this. 2,999 only.
Very good.
And the second color for this is this. Look at this. 2,999 only. इस तरह से 4 जगह पर आपको ये बूटा मिलेगा.
ये साइड में रखना.
And then we have this one, which is a good pink color. 2,999. So again, a very, very pretty piece. And now showing you 2 pieces which are similar. So इसमें अगर आप देखोगे तो सारा शिफले है, plain इसकी trousers है. बहुत pretty सा article है. पीछे से दूसरा कलर देखो. And इसमें आपके 2 colors हैं, दोनों beautiful vibe है. Again 2,200. और इसका ना this is a shorter piece. So you can wear it as a, you can just not wear the dupatta if you don't want to. You can wear it as a quad and carry it off. So 2 beautiful colors. 2,200 per. Look at the Pakistani sleeves coming in. But it's a shifle cotton. It's not a Pakistani suit. It's a shifle cotton. All sizes available till 44.
Beautiful, beautiful.
And the next piece which I'm showing you is again a muslin blended piece with this kind of a organza dupatta. Do not miss it. और इसका second color is this. So these 2 beautiful colors, very well finished, very nice. Again, are 2,250 only. Medium to 44 available.
Oh wow, this is very pretty.
I love this
very
piece
pretty
personally.
Article.
It's a beautiful muslin.
Parrot sparrow motif.
Very, very elegant, very well.
And
you know, sequins आ रहे हैं इसमें.
Very beautiful.
And
article.
this is the dupatta. Price is 2,595.
Pure muslin, na?
Pure muslin.
Yeah, very nice.
So going forward, we're going to get more pieces like this. But price is 2,595. Again, a very rich, nice number.
I'm loving the color and the prints and the motifs.
Yeah.
T branch पे बैठे हुए देखो डाल के ऊपर पंछी.
And that's your back.
Back also so print पे है और दुपट्टा भी पूरा printed है.
Again, a value for money, medium to double XL. Then this one is a chinon piece. And you can see कि ये real mirrors आ रहे हैं इस पर. और the size इसमें constraint रहेगा, small medium only. Bottom is this color and an organza dupatta. Price is 1,999 only.
ठीक है.
Another one is medium to a double XL. Again, a pink color piece with a little lace, chiffle lace here. Pure cotton. Price is 1,999 only. The most high on demand color is this one, medium to a 2XL available.
Pure cotton, pure mull cotton dupatta with hand brush paint and entire shifly suit. Wow.
So this one is again a 1999 only. So now this is again real mirrors, guys. No, sorry, these are
false
mirrors. I'm so sorry.
No problem.
And this one is 1888 with a 3-tone dupatta.
Okay, this is Dobby, huh?
Yes.
Dobby suit and chiffon dupatta to
all
pair with.
Sizes again available.
Very good.
Then we have this one, and this is by a designer.
Another strawberry smoothie color.
And she's actually put these laces also.
Net laces, yeah.
And you can see कि इसमें थोड़ा सा आपको डिफरेंस लगेगा इस पीस में. मीडियम टू 46-48 साइज रहेगा ये. And look at the designing of the piece. The price is 2495 by her.
Good.
And the next piece is this one. Look at this, and you can see कि ये इसका bottom है. इसमें भी medium to XXL रहेंगे. बहुत ही pretty सा cotton vibe है. And do not miss the back.
Very nice.
1999. Another one is this laser cut पर है, medium to XXL. Price is 1650 only. 1650 only. Another very classic piece. ये भी बहुत ही pretty सा piece है शिफले पे. ये आपकी कोड़ियां आ रही हैं. Do not miss the sleeves. Very elegant number. Medium to 44 तक आएगा ये. With this kind of a 2-tone dupatta. 2250.
Good. एक मिनट. उठाओ टेबल.
Next piece is medium to XXL. This kind of a piece with a super soft organza dupatta. And the price for this is only 1888. It's a anarkali, cotton anarkali. Then we have muslins like this, which are subtle classics with little work like here. The price is 1999, and that's your back.
All right.
Similar to that is another one, medium to XL rahega isme. Again 1999. Now these are the cotton mulls which we have repeated. The mustard yellow, so we have repeated. This is a fresh new color which we have got you. And this one is a 1595, and we have 2 colors. So इसमें आपका second color आ रहा है mustard, और एक color है आपका ये. इनमें सारे के सारे pieces are available.
Nice.
Beautiful suits, and this is a very pretty hand paint sort of a look, and all sizes are available till 46. And the price point is only 1999 only.
All right. थोड़ा नीचे रख के दिखाना हाथ. हाँ. टेबल पे.
Another one is this. ये आपका बहुत ही pretty सा medium to XXL रहेगा, और इसका lower है ये a good wide open lower with this kind of a dupatta. Price is 2488 only. Another one is a super soft nice crepe piece with an off-white lower and a little for Eid and festivity. And the price for this is 2488.
ठीक है.
Another one is a muslin premium series. So ये muslin का बहुत ही बेहतरीन with a inner hair piece और plus sizes तक आएगा. Price is 2299 only.
ठीक है.
Another one is this. Now anything you think is taking कि जल्दी जल्दी दिखाया गया, प्लीज आप इसकी इंक्वायरी कर लें दोबारा से. वी कैन शो यू ऑन अ वीडियो कॉल. मीडियम टू 44, अगेन विद अ हैंड पेंट दुपट्टा एंड वेरी रिच नाइस नंबर इज
शिफॉन दुपट्टा ना.
यस, 2499. एंड वैसे ये है सुपर सॉफ्ट ऑर्गेन्जा विद अ प्रॉपर लाइनिंग.
ये दे दो मुझे.
एंड द नेक्स्ट टू गो, पुट इट डाउन. नेक्स्ट टू गो is a muslin article. Again इसका organza का दुपट्टा है. Price is 1888 only. And now some pieces which are actually designer and we actually charge a bomb for our shows is this. This is the lower. जिसमें laces है. And then this is all cut work.
Cut work. Very nice dress.
Price is 2999 only. And the next to go is this. ये आपका एक और इस टाइप का आ गया विद कटवर्क. इसकी आप स्लीव्स पे भी कटवर्क देख सकते हो, और इस तरह से विद अ ब्यूटीफुल सिल्क दुपट्टा, स्टोल दुपट्टा. 2999 only.
All right.
Another one is a muslin premium diaries. Medium से लेकर आपका 46 तक size रहेगा with embroidery. Digital muslin. Price is 2400 only. And another very nice super soft organza, perfect for little small festivity and थोड़े small occasions. प्राइस इसका 48 साइज तक रहेगा, ये 50 तक भी हम कर सकते हैं इसको मैन्यूवेयर.
ठीक है.
प्राइस इज 2488.
ऑलराइट.
एंड नाउ अ प्योर चिनॉन इंडो वेस्टर्न सॉर्ट ऑफ अ सूट. इसको आप कोट सेट भी डाल सकते हो और इसको दुपट्टे के साथ भी डाल सकते हो.
ठीक है.
सिमिलर है आपका ये वाला, ये देखिए.
नाइस.
बहुत प्रिटी सा कलर है ये भी. प्राइस ऑफ दीज आर 3200 ओनली इन प्योर चिनॉन जॉर्जेट. इस तरह से इसके लोअर्स रहेंगे.
वेरी गुड.
नेक्स्ट इज अ ब्यूटिफुल शिफले. इसे मिस मत करिए. विद अ हैंड पेंट दुपट्टा. सो वेरी एलिगेंट पीस. मीडियम टू 42-44. प्राइस इज 2400.
ऑलराइट.
Another one is a perfect yellow for this kind of a color theme which comes in this season. 1888 only.
Wow.
All sizes available.
Good.
Now I think our show is incomplete with this kind of a color. And this is available till a 3XL. And this is the work. The price is 2588. Another piece is this. So ये आपका बहुत प्यारा सा आर्टिकल है. ये देखिए.
Very nice.
पूरी पैचिंग और इस तरह का दुपट्टा. Price of this is 2588 again. Nothing is more happier than this kind of a handloom. This is a चंदेरी दो, but it's a pure one, जो कि आपका 1200 रुपए मीटर तक जाता है रिटेल में. ये समझ का पीस है, जैसे कि आप गुड एग्जीबिशंस पे लेते हो. All sizes available till the plus sizes. The price is 2588. It's a very nice elegant piece. Then this is perfect for festivities. The next two suits are perfect for festivities. Look at this. The price is 2200 only.
All right.
Next article, we have all sizes available in this. Again, shimmer का piece है, क्योंकि we were thinking कि अभी हमारी festivity शुरू हो चुकी है ईद से. So आप जरूर इस टाइप का सूट पे अप्लाई करें. 2499 only.
All right.
Another one. ये आपका बहुत ही प्यारा सा चिनॉन का आर्टिकल आ रहा है. ये देखिए. ये आपका लुक है इसका विद एम्ब्रॉयडरी. प्राइस इज 2488. अगेन आ नायरा.
ठीक है.
Do not miss this vibe.
Yeah, very beautiful.
It is a perfect diaries. Look at the lower. Very rich article for this particular, haldi kind of a look. The price is only 2800. Another one. ये आपका white color में आ गया with embroidery. Again, super soft muslin with lining. इस तरह का piece है.
आगे लाना जरा. This is the work.
The price is 2488. It's not a run of the mill. You can see कि किस तरह की किस कदर की embroidery. Another one is again my favorite piece, which is always mostly there with us, with this kind of a scallop on the pants. Price is 2488 and a A-line sort of a cut.
All right.
Another one is this. Look at this beautiful piece. ये भी मसलिन का बेहतरीन आर्टिकल है. प्राइस इज 1888 ओनली. नेक्स्ट विल गो अप टिल द प्लस साइजेस एंड मसलिन का पीस है. इट्स वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट पीसेस. विल गो अप टिल अ 50 साइज एंड द प्राइस इज 2299. Another one is a beautiful nice anarkali, medium to double XL. Price of this one is 1888 only. Another anarkali कॉटन में. ये वाला विद अ बेल्ट है. आगे से अगर देखोगे तो ये डिवाइडर आ रहा है. बॉटम इज इंक्लूडेड. द प्राइस इज 1250. Another piece is this. ये भी आपका नायरा टाइप अनारकली आ रहा है.
रेयॉन में है.
हाँ जी. प्राइस इज 1250 ओनली. Another article. Another article is a pure chinon और मीडियम टू डबल एक्सएल अवेलेबल है. अगेन the price is 1495. And now showing some shifle from a designer. She's actually designing it for us and इसमें है tulip pants. ये है real mirrors और perfect color है at 1999. And another piece which I am showing you is a perfect yellow
with real mirrors. Huh?
Yes. ये भी रियल मिरर्स आ रहे हैं और बहुत एलिगेंट सा पीस है. लुक एट द डिजाइनिंग ऑफ द लोअर इटसेल्फ.
These are two pieces ना?
हाँ जी.
ठीक है.
1999 only and a good nice one कि आप कहीं पे भी डाला हुआ बहुत सुंदर लगता है. And this again is a 1250. It's a complete yellow anarkali for a perfect
cotton silk.
Yes, and 1250 only.
ठीक है.
And now showing you the class apart series. For me it is definitely, ये हम थोड़ा सा आराम से दिखाएंगे.
हाँ, अनस्टिच है ये
अनस्टिच्ड है बट थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट के साथ है. इसका क्लिप मैं खोल रही हूँ आपके लिए क्विकली. और इसको आप आराम से देखिए. बहुत ही प्यारा सा आर्टिकल है.
ऑर्गेन्जा का दुपट्टा है व्यूअर्स.
हाँ, ये आपका आ गया शर्ट. तो शर्ट को हम खोल लेते हैं. ये देखिए,
ये रही शर्ट.
इस तरह से शर्ट आ रही है.
लेंथ भी अच्छी खासी है.
हाँ, और कितना भी आप कितना भी चौड़ाई पे बना सकते हैं. बिकॉज वी हैव कि प्लस साइजेस के लिए आप माय हार्ट ब्लीड्स. एंड लोअर इज ऑफ वाइट और इसका आप दुपट्टा देखिए.
Good.
इस तरह से. द प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज 2800 ओनली. 2800 ओनली. द नेक्स्ट पीस इसी तरह से मैं आपको ये सेकंड वाला दिखा रही हूँ. इसको मैं इतना नहीं खोलूंगी बट आप देख लो कि ये सारी लेस लगी और ये रियल मिरर्स हैं. और पिंक
शिफली है पूरा.
हाँ, पूरा शिफली है.
एंड ये पैचेस में तैयार किया गया ऑर्गेन्जा दुपट्टा विद रियल मिरर डिटेलिंग.
ये बनाया जाता है. ये बुटीक आर्टिकल है. यहाँ देखो नीचे ऑर्गेन्जा आ रहा है पर वैसे कॉटन शिफले है. ब्रीदेबल पीस है बिकॉज कई बार डार्क कलर्स भी चाहिए होते हैं. एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ अ लोअर. द नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल,
wow, this is very royal looking.
And this is a beautiful nice piece and people have really appreciated and we've got it after a year. ये नीचे में ऑर्गेन्जा लगा है वैसे कॉटन. एंड लुक एट द डिजाइनिंग. वेरी प्रीटी आर्टिकल. प्राइस इज 2888 ओनली. ठीक है. एनी स्टिचिंग we can do the stitching for international clients and South India. Organza and look at the designing of this. इस तरह से. और ये खादी कॉटन लिनन है और ये देखो लेसेस के साथ ऑर्गेन्जा का ब्यूटीफुल सा दुपट्टा. Another one is this. So this is also a very rich nice number. इसे देख लीजिए. और इस तरह से इसका वर्कमैनशिप है. और दिस इज द दुपट्टा
in organza.
Very pretty nice.
Lurex के साथ है ये. ठीक है.
And this one is a 1699 and a khadi cotton linen. Sizes are medium to a double XL for this
38
one.
to 44.
Yes. And this one is medium to a size 50.
नीचे रखो, टेबल पे रखो, टेबल पे.
Medium to a size 50. A pure chinon georgette. Price is 3500
high
only.
and low pattern. Yeah.
Yes. And it's a 3-piece set with a
chinon.
bustier. A divider and this. Medium to size 50. Again, medium to size 50. Price is 3800 only. And the next to go is a good, nice 3500 piece with this kind of a sleeve look. And again, a 3-piece set.
Good.
With the inner.
Next.
This is our new latest development which we can make in any color, any size. The price is 3800 for this.
All right.
And then we have these beautiful kaftans with the lowers. A traditional sort of a look with this work on the sleeves with all cheetah. The price is 3600. 2-piece, 3-piece set again. Another new development, 3-piece set again. Look at this.
Are these sequences or diamantes?
Sequence work. All sequence work.
Okay. High and low pattern.
Yes. And another piece is this one. And you can see that this is the embroidery. It's a beautiful, nice pattern. And this one is again a divider piece. This is a 2588 only. And a super soft organza.
What is the organza? No? Organza, yeah.
And a muslin lower.
All right.
And then the latest which we have launched back again, it came last year for a while, is 2488 and beautiful quad sets, which are the most highly selling quad sets of ours. And the next to go, we have a few pieces in this up till the double XL. And the price is 1888 only. Putting this pure, these are cotton linen blended fabric type of pieces. Or free size articles hai ye. Price of this is only and only 2188. Another one is these two pieces which are in two colors. Medium to XL ही रहेंगे ये. Price is only 1,888. Another high-low pattern and the perfect for this weather. So ये आपका मीड खड़ा कॉटन में है. This type of designing high-low pattern.
पूरा cotton, yeah. And lurex work.
हाँ जी, lurex 1,999 only. And this one is a 1,100 only, pure cotton.
I think this is cheese cotton.
Cheese cotton. 1,100 only. Another piece and an exclusive nice piece with a chiffle lower is 1,888 only with this kind of a necklace. And another piece which I would like to show you are these
in chantilly laces. Yes, all over.
All ye medium to XL hai. We had 8 colors. We are only left with 2 colors. And another 2 pieces are again 3-piece sets, as you can see, medium to XL. So this one is a 1,888 only.
All right.
इसमें हमें
this sharara set, viewers, quickly
quickly
we'll go
showing you 2, 3, 4 pieces so that you know that we do this also. So this is a very nice sharara set. Inke prices will be on demand. And that's piece 1.
What is the fabric?
Pure Georgette.
Pure Georgette, okay.
ठीक है, anarkali look. And then we have this one. So you can do a video
peach
called
color.
Peach color, perfect for this weather. Ari work. A Firin sort of a look. Look at this.
Zari work, kasaf work. So much of it, so much on it.
एक और आ गया. Then we have this one. Look at this. ठीक है, ये skirt का piece आ गया. And then we have a short anarkali again. This is the pieces which are vibing at the moment. This kind of a work, so that you know that you can cover little functions, parties, trousseaux, and different occasions with us. And like on a video call, yesterday also we sold pieces like this only.
What
so
is this? Is it a laser cut? Okay.
Laser cut leather work. Iska shirt unstitched hai, but we will include the stitching in this. Okay. And then we have these kind of jacket pieces. I'm showing them together so that you know that we do this also. So this is all about it for Mystic Studio today.
All right.
Thank you so much.
So with this, we come to an end of the episode. And I think there is too much to explore, but due to time constraint, it's not possible for us to cover entire shop. Anyway, please, buy from here so that she can restock some new items. So support them, buy from them, share your overall feedback, share your opinion with them about upcoming weather ke liye kya chahiye aapko, what you guys would be wanting for the upcoming weather. Speak to her, she will work on it. And thank you viewers for peacefully watching this video, and we also thank you Nidhi ji for getting such a wonderful collection for today's episode. Okay, with this note we wind up and we will catch up with you soon. Till then, goodbye and stay blessed. Bye bye.
Thank you.